Bea Wrap long knee brace. Increasing medial lateral support, rheumatoid arthritis, mild hyperextension, mild to moderate valgus varus deformity. The Bea Wrap knee brace is designed with a front opening and contrasting proximal and distal strap to counter rotation. The open popliteal area provides added comfort during flexion, and the easy grip tabs aid patients with poor dexterity. Place the brace behind the knee, making sure the hole lies at the back of the knee. Ensure the hinges lie along the inside and outside of the knee. It is important that the bend of the hinge is aligned correctly with the knee. If required, the hinges can be removed and shaped to the leg to provide a snug fit. Hinges should not be bent within 25mm of the centre of the hinge. Wrap the brace around the leg and close with the hook and loop pads, making sure the knee sits in the space on the front. Pass the straps through the D-ring and attach back on themselves to fasten. The straps may need to be tightened to prevent slippage.